Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life, and a great article here straight from Verizon's News Center. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you guys can check it out. So, in my predictions video for 2025, I discussed or I talked about Verizon extending the partnership and contracts with the Department of Defense and just government agencies in general. And in order for them, or one way for them to do that, is to really bolster and upgrade and make the network better. And that's what they're doing here. So Verizon selected by the U.S. Air Force for 5G and network upgrades at 35 installations. So that's a massive contract. That's gonna require some funding, right? Some investment, but it's gonna lead to a much better network. So through the Air Force's offer to lease program, Verizon Business is now delivering network upgrades at over 85% of U.S. Air Force bases across the United States. That's a big deal. The U.S. Air Force has selected Verizon Business to install 5G and or 4G LTE network enhancements on 35 Air Force installations located through the United States. Through the Air Force offer to lease OTL program, Verizon Business will deliver network enhancements like C-band, carrier ads, network builds, and small cells. Verizon Network Solutions will bring higher speed, increased bandwidth, lower latency for the base personnel and the surrounding community, contributing to the diverse missions at each base while also enhancing the quality of life for personnel and military families. So that's a big deal. That's going to mean a better network for everyone. And if the competition, right, in AT&T, T-Mobile haven't made substantial enhancements, then Verizon has opportunity now to take from the switching, right? The switching pool. This can create switchers, right? If Verizon is significantly better on these installations versus the competition, I mean, people are going to switch, right? Verizon's trying to do that now at Fort Hood. They're trying to do that now at Fort Bliss, right? For the Army. I'm sure they're going to touch the Navy and Marines as well. So this is a step in the right direction for Verizon. This is a pretty big deal, right? It's a significant investment, but it's going to lead to getting more business. Again, as I mentioned, network as a service. Now Verizon can possibly service the families with FWA. Some of the agencies are looking to hook up their POS. So this is all now opportunity for Verizon in the future, right? It's probably going to take a little bit of time to build new macros, but once it's all said and done, it's going to be a great network. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, subscribe if you're new. Follow my social media outlets. This is Tyrone with Tech Live. See y'all in the next one. Peace.